Welcome to the jungle, where the fun never ends. Are you ready for an ABC adventure? Here comes Ellie the Elephant, leading our parade with a big smile. A is for alligator splashing in the stream. Can you make a splash too? B is for bear, dancing under the trees. Show us your best dance moves. C is for crocodile, sunbathing on the rock. How do you like to sunbathe? D is for dolphin jumping high. Can you pretend to jump like a dolphin? E is for elephant again. Look at Ellie waving her big ears. F is for frog, hopping from lily pad to lily pad. Can you hop too? G is for giraffe, reaching for the highest leaves. How tall can you stand? H is for hippo, cooling off in the mud. Don't forget to make a splash. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. How warm does it feel? J is for jaguar, prowling through the jungle. Can you tiptoe like a jaguar? K is for kangaroo, jumping all over. Let's see your best kangaroo jumps. L is for lion, roaring with pride. Can you give us your best roar? M is for monkey, swinging from tree to tree. Show us your monkey moves. N is for narwhal, swimming in icy waters. Can you swim like a narwhal? O is for owl, hooting at night. Let's hear your best hoot. P is for penguin, waddling on ice. Can you waddle too? Q is for quokka, the happiest animal of all. Smile wide like a quokka. R is for rabbit, hopping through the meadow. Can you hop faster? S is for snake, slithering through the grass. Can you slither like a snake? T is for tiger, stalking through the jungle. Can you sneak like a tiger? U is for unicorn, magical and bright. Show us your magical moves. V is for vulture, soaring high above. Spread your wings and fly. W is for whale, swimming deep in the sea. Let's dive down together. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and cool. Can you pretend to be X-ray vision? Y is for yak, with a fluffy coat. Can you be fluffy like a yak? Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. Show us your best zebra dance. Now that we've met all the animals, let's sing our ABCs together. B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, so happy and free. G, H, I, let's dance and play. J, K, L, brightening the day. N, O, bouncing all around. P, Q, R, making silly sounds. S, T, U, let's have some fun. V, W, X, together as one. Y, Z, we're finished with glee. Thanks for joining this ABC spree. What a blast we had. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to sing along again and share this adventure with your friends. See you next time for more jungle fun and learning. Keep practicing your ABCs, and let's explore more adventures soon. Remember, each letter is a new adventure waiting to happen. Now go out and explore the world.